I'm tired, like very tired. I've been climbing for like 30 minutes now. I think I'm going to do this again. Hiking is the ghetto. So Angel and I are away from our tour group. We're not lost. We're just away from our tour group. So we're going to find them now. So they don't leave us because we're being time conscious, I guess. So I'll see you soon. Bye. So in the usual Nigerian fashion, our cars entered the gutter. I just came out from I hope you can see me properly, almost 3 hours journey from Ibadan to this place. It's somewhere in Osun State, and I hope I'm holding this thing well, because like I'm tired. I've slept, I've woken up, but we're finally here at the waterfalls, and I hope that, I don't know, it's as cute as it's supposed to be. By that, anybody is going to have strength to do much, because we're all tired. I mean, we've been awake since like 6 o'clock, actually for me like 4:30. So yeah, catch you guys when I'm there. Bye. I've already gone 27 steps out of 100, and I'm tired as so wish me luck. Okay, see you. I'm alone, so I guess this is the best time to talk about why I came on this trip. So the guys have been chaotic here, like very, very chaotic, and I had like a very meh September here with work and just tiring altogether. But I was like, oh, let me leave Lagos, and see what I can find outside of Lagos, because that city only brings chaos to me. And well, I'm here going to this waterfalls that brings healing, according to a lot of people, and peace. So hopefully I find those things, because I'm looking for them badly. So yeah, that's that. And it's just wonderful to like find different parts of Nigeria, So I'm trying to catch my breath and talk. But different parts of Nigeria, and just see what's beyond where you stay, So go out today and find out all those places, and get to know your country. Bye.
In about a few minutes, you'll see us climb the hill going into the waterfalls. Trust me, this is one of the coolest springs of water. It's gonna hit you so bad, you don't even know what's gonna happen. For those who usually have a cold, you might catch hypothermia while you're here, but otherwise, cool spots. Ladies and gentlemen, here in the Waterfalls.
Hi, good morning everyone. So I am going hiking this morning to, where am I going to? Yeah, I think the first plane crash site in Nigeria. That's where I'm going hiking to. So I'm just going to meet the others, then we'll go from there. So I'm going to show you where we go to and everything that goes on that hiking trip, I guess. Bye. I'm tired, like very tired. I've been climbing for like 30 minutes now. I think I'm going to do this again. Hiking is the ghetto. Wow. Hi. Okay, so I'm no longer panting. We've seen the site and we're going back to the resort. And yeah, I'm tired. Excited to eat, excited to shower, excited to do a lot of things. And yeah, I'm so glad I did this hike. It made me realize that one, I'm on feet and I have to go back to not just doing yoga or meditation, but actually exercising proper. And yeah, I'm going to go back to that and just go back to that and move my body, because damn, it was just, anyway, it took about an hour 15 minutes to get to the top of the hill. And honestly, some people give up on the way because it's actually high, but going down is so much easier. Let me show you. See, it's easier. Everybody's just like going easily. But when we were coming up, it was a lot for us. Anyway, I'll see you when I get back and shower and eat and all those things. Bye. I'm putting on this camera so you guys will accompany me. So there are people in front and there are people at the back. It's a 40 minutes journey. And yeah, I'm pretty much the only one in the middle because I just wanted peace and quiet. But I think some people are stopping, sure. But I'm going to join them soon. But just look at alone in the woods. And I don't know, I feel good. I feel good. I feel like I'm accomplishing what I came to do here in the woods. Okay, not in the woods, but away from Lagos, you know. Sorry, it's going to get a little dark because I'm going under trees. But yeah, yesterday, apart from the fact that I went to bed, I couldn't continue filming because I actually got pretty annoyed at something, but I'm not going to bring it on here. But I'm just glad that this morning I woke up feeling good and feeling like hiking. And I did it and I accomplished this. And on a normal day I wouldn't, because a while ago I stopped doing things like this. But look at me doing it. And yeah, you put on camera because in case something bad happens. Since I can't hear voices, okay, I can see people in front, but I can't hear the people behind me. So in case anything happens, you'll be the first to see it. But I don't think anything is going to happen. Oh my god, I'm hearing sounds. I'm going to meet everybody. Bye bye. Not me running. I hope I see them. Oh my god. Okay, I've gotten close. Bye bye. For those people that eventually want to come to Ikogosi Resort, so this is like a villa. This place is for villas. It's
so nice. Most likely I'll break that wall or something, make it maybe.
So basically, I'm going to start with the kitchen. I don't know why I'm starting with the kitchen, but this is the kitchen of Ikogosi. If you want to come here for like the weekend or whatever. So yeah, it has a fridge and it has a cupboard. Nothing much. Here's the parlor. Yeah, we picked some lemons because like I think these are lemons or melons. I don't know, but there's a whole last tree downstairs and there are also oranges downstairs. So yeah, this is how it is. Just cozy and cute. Here's the balcony with the view. Oh, the breathtaking view. Whoop. Yep. So this building is quite old. That's why it looks like this. So, but it's very good if you want to just go away from Lagos. So yeah. Let's go downstairs. The downstairs of my own villa. So all villas are not the same here. Some people have the kind of villas where they have like up to 3 rooms. No, two rooms here. So like the master villa has like up to 2 rooms. So yeah, here's a toilet. It's big. I don't know if I should. I don't open it. Yeah, here's the toilet, and this is the door that leads downstairs, and you can find other villas, people, villas, and outside. Yep, that's it. Yeah, so this video is going to be a little dark, but I just wanted to show you how the rooms look again. Like I said, this is an old room, so let your expectations be low. Okay, bye. This is me hoping everybody can hear me, but I'm going to check if you can hear me. If not, I'll just make a different video. Okay, so this is the last video I'm making because I'm going home now. Yes, like I said, I came to this place so because I was trying to escape Lagos and all of that, and I did. And did I find peace? I did. But like, yeah, so like if you want to just escape Lagos and just breathe fresh air, and it's important to just do these things once in a while because it can be very tough working all year long. I mean, this is October and this is the first time I'm leaving Lagos, and it doesn't have to be Kenya or Seychelles, or I mean you can go to all those places, but yeah, it doesn't, I'm just saying like it doesn't have to be to go, like you don't have to go so far in order to like relax and all of that. You can go to places that are not so far, yeah, and just yeah, because this is Ekiti State. I don't think I mentioned that. Yeah, it's not far at all. It's just a few hours away from Lagos. So we use the train to Ibadan first, then we use road to Ekiti State. So if you don't want to go too far, you can just go. You can just come here and sleep, because your sleep would definitely be better. The air you're breathing would definitely be better, and just your mind, the space in your mind would definitely be better. So I don't want this to be long. You know I hate talking, but yeah, I feel better, and that's what's important. So yeah, I'm leaving now, and I'm happy and pleased to say that I achieved what I was going to achieve. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.